Hello. So today I want to show you a special way to do Viparita Dandasana with a chair. So the thing with Viparita Dandasana is that it's rounded. You can see the photo of Viparita Dandasana now, and you see that the pelvis is the highest place in the body. And usually when we do it in the chair, when it is flat, it doesn't give the same shape. So what I do here is I put two blocks under the back legs of the chair to make it a little bit tilted. Also I put a sticky mat piece and then a blanket for padding, and I prepare a bolster for later. And then you go with your legs inside the chair and you adjust your tailbone on the edge of the seat so it is elevated, and you extend your body. Okay, insert the arms and then slide slightly back. Catch the legs of the chair and stretch your legs. If you cannot stretch your legs, you can support them on some support. Pull with the arms to open the top chest and release your head and breathe. Okay, you can also come up slightly and again slide out and hold your elbows. Change and also stretch the arms this way. If you want to relax more in the pose, you can also just do a kind of Shavasana in Viparita Dandasana. And then from here, instead of going up, what you can do is bend your legs and try to pull the foot down below the chair, 1 foot at a time, and then slide off the chair to a kind of Ustrasana. You take a bolster that you prepared in advance to put it under your head, and then pressing the shin bones down, so you activate your buttocks, tailbone in, and you enjoy the beautiful arch of this pose when you are supported. Okay.